At least positive moment, we still not see the signal to sell. I'm way too out of the break even at my dot, what I hold since the para chains. Dot with my custom indicator set. What's going on locally, guys? I repeat again, this blue line, this is my zone of interest for the dot, where maybe I will open and try open a long position futures. So spot, I will touch dot only if we drop under the October 2025 low. Of course, it sounds unrealistic one, so we will drop to 63 cents once again. Maybe, by the way, on other exchanges, it was not that low spike. Yes, like here on OKX, for example, we stop at 96 cents. So it's just on a Binance. Maybe it was just manipulation, speculation. You can call it whatever you like it. So 93. That's why, anyway, I will focus now on this low, like a spot position. This is for the futures. I would like to show you now what's going on with the indicator set on the daily time frame. Is it some signals what we're looking for? At least positive moment, we still not see the signal to sell. Only recommendation to close position. So it's a futures trades, you know, daily time frame. 1, 2, 3 signals to buy. So in average like 146. 1 and 9 and 123. So in average, it could be like 125. And here was a signal to recommendation close position. Break of structure still the same. So I'm just wait. If we take a look at the take profit indicator here, guys, this is what I told you. 88, 89 cents. It's even lower than on SCX or on OKX or other exchanges. That's why I'm going to add alerts to the buy line on the daily time frame. This one. 80, 89, maybe, if this is just unhealthy week, you know, only on a Binance, right? Maybe we just formed the new low, historical one, and maybe it's going to be the good entry even for the spot. So it's hard to say, guys. Is it real? That candle is real. So the volume on that candle was like 50 million. So it's kind of strange, right? So on this candle, for example, now it's like 2,025,000. So it's kind of crazy. That's why, guys, this is a buy line. Highly recommend to add alert to the buy line, not to the some specific price, because, for example, in the next few days, at the beginning of the June, for example, it's going to be like 75. So it's like not a big deal for the spot, but come on, over than 10%, I don't think so. It's so. You will be satisfied with that drop. Even on the spot, well time frame 85 cents, 85 and 2. So this is a buy line on 12 time frame. Of course, weaker time frame we underrated. This is why I am still bullish on the dot, not because I'm in dot. I absolutely don't care about it. I don't care about what's Gavin Wood all the time talking about this coin. It's just a pure speculation. I'm way too out of the break even at my dot. What I hold since para chains, you know, because I'm stuck from that stupid para chains. But I get a lot of bunch of A-drops from para chains like Akal Network, Aster Network, the Clover, Moonbeam, Gleamer. All of that project was good, you know, and I'm happy. I'm received the token and sell the token, receive and sell. So anyway, I could make more money if I just not buying the dot that time, or at least just buying now, right? I showed it today in the BTC video, so not all the time the summer is red, and in June BTC formed like 2% gains, like a positive month close. And the June was like last year like 8% up. So I would not surprise if the dot also will perform this summer, and August can be like a red one before the major upside moon in autumn. Or maybe we just cooked and we go into 0 to 0 to 0 and add one more 0. We can't know the future, guys, but you have to build a plan. That's why my plan, this is a futures position, maybe 85, 88 are going to touch for the spot if this is an unhealthy candle. All right, let's take a look with the money power. Do we have some money inflow now from the whales? No. Fortunately not, guys. Still no money inflow here. This was the last one in $1.27. After that, we bounced it to the $1.35 and drop again. Here was a money outflow, but at least soon we could see the money inflow. Some maybe news, Polkadot price outlook, how for Vendum 8090 could move dot. Once again, guys, again and again and again, all these things turn around the staking. So the people pay too much attention for the staking. It looks like if we remove from the crypto just staking, it's going to be absolutely useless. Absolutely useless. So anyway, for now, depends of the time frame what you would like to stake your DOT if it's give you the good returns. Now it's more than okay to buy the DOT at this current prices, stake it for example for the half year, collect some revenues right from that staking, and after that sell it. So it's going to be the double win. But imagine somebody bought the Polkadot here. It makes sense to check it here at $10 and stake it. So do you think he's satisfied with the drop, like 900% drop? I don't think so. Yes, it's 900% because from now, come on, price range. From now, it could be like, oh, here, yes, 900%. So I don't think so he's satisfied. That's why I have no idea. Why do people even pay attention for that staking? If you just stop stake your tokens, right? The projects should make some other things, to bring attention to the projects. But now they promise you all the time, just stake and get like what? 5% in a month, you get rewards of what? What the benefits of that staking? That's why, guys, I don't think so. It could put the price so high. So this translates to 12K400 per validator in locked capital. Oh, even better. So requirement. So validator, if you would like to be the validator of the Polkadot, you should own like 10,000 dots. Mind blowing. So what are the benefits? But what are the benefits? What are the benefits for that stakers, for validators? Another specific, it looks like absolutely useless. That's why, guys, I recommend you just work with the charts. Don't pay attention for that news. So zones, I showed you. Let's check the smart money concept. Zones. Oh, damn it. We broke the structure down. On the day time frame, this is a break of structure. Of course, it's not all the time have to like a crash to zero. Here was like the last time how it playing out. Crash, bounce, break the structure up. This one, and this is break of structure down. So I'll be not surprised if we just form like this one is going to be the crazy capitulation zone. That's why I'm just wait at least one day. I hope I will see the notification, the buy line, because there is a lot of latest notification. Take profit signal on INA was, take profit signal on zero, very short the block. So a lot of notification what we added in real time, just trigger it. 4 hour time frame. Also, guys, no bullish case, unfortunately. I would like to double check also the order blocks. This one and liquidity pools. Maybe we have some. Only the bullish order block is here. This one and this one. So guys, write please in the comment what you think about a Polkadot. My target I showed you. And I'm just waiting. I'm just sit and wait. If you'd like to trade as my customer said what showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time.